Hello, young learners. Welcome back to video 2 of Introduction to Vocabulary. I'm so glad to see you here again. In our last video, we learned about synonyms, words that have similar meanings. Today, get ready to explore another exciting aspect of language, antonyms. But that's not all. We are also going to discover some fascinating new words related to animals, like reptiles, birds, and insects. Are you excited? Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. For example, hot and cold, up and down, big and small. Can you think of any antonyms? I bet you can. Now, let's move on to our animal adventure. Let's meet some incredible creatures from the animal kingdom. Here's a fascinating reptile called the gecko. Geckos are small lizards that can climb walls. Can you say gecko? Next, we have an extraordinary bird of prey, the falcon. Falcons are known for their sharp eyes and incredible hunting skills. Can you say falcon? And here's an insect that we often see in gardens, the butterfly. Butterflies have beautiful, colorful wings. Can you say butterfly? Now, it's time for a quick game. I'm going to show you some pictures of animals. You need to say their names out loud. Ready? That was fantastic. Great job, everyone. I hope you had a blast learning about antonyms and our animal friends today. If you want to continue exploring the exciting world of words and animals, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new adventure with us. See you next time.